Hi everyone, welcome to Cad's Review. Today I'm so excited. I have the October 2020 Glossy box. And with this month, they had two different boxes you could receive. You could get either the Enchanted Spirit or the Midnight Fantasy. So I received the Enchanted Spirit, and this is so absolutely beautiful, the box. Look at that. I think this is one of their prettiest boxes. It's gorgeous. I was hoping for this one. Very pretty. So let me just go over a little information. So this is a beauty box. You receive 5 full-size beauty products, $21 a month. Well worth it. Definitely get your money's worth in this box. Most of the time it's over $100 value. And I do have an awesome code, CARRYD22 for 20% off your first subscription. And this is the Enchanted Spirit, the BeatyTales. So let's get into this box and let's see what's inside. And it does come in an outside another box. I just took it out of there, and then it came with this. This is called Bright Cellars, and it's personalized wine delivered to your door. So that came with it. All right, so let's check this out and let's see what's in here. And that's what the cover looks like. And, oops, let me just take the card out. And that's what it looks like inside. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, and they always have a product guide, which I love because this is the 2 boxes you can receive. So the one to the right is the other one, the Midnight Fantasy, and then the Enchanted Beauty. They're both absolutely gorgeous boxes, so that's great. And then inside we have all the products. I don't want to look at it right now, but I'll go through each product and I will give you all the pricing, which I love. They do give you the pricing. So let me just read a little bit about it. Let's get magical glossy. Sometimes we all need a little sparkle as a finishing touch to a perfect look, and in the spirit of this month, we are so excited for you to receive our Enchanted box from our BeatyTales edit. For enviable skin and extraordinary makeup, we revered a coveted collection of both ingredients that dazzle, amaze, and of course delight. We want you to embrace the magic that beauty can make us feel every step of the routine beyond skincare, with results that'll last long after the spell of the great regimen. Stay glossy, your Glossybox team. Okay, so let's get into the first product. Okay, so it looks like we have a lipstick, and this is KCD Vegan Beauty Studded Kiss Creme Lipstick, and that's Lovecraft. This vegan and cruelty-free lipstick will make you feel bold and stunning, just like its studded packaging. Its creamy, cushiony, and highly pigmented formula will give your lips the treatment that they deserve. And their MSRP is, this is the deluxe mini, is worth $14, and the full size is worth $20. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, that's a gorgeous color for the fall. Very pretty. Really love that color. Love the case. Let's see, that's studded. Very nice. Okay, and the next thing that we have, and this is Ona. And let me just read a little bit about that. Ona, New York, a Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. Formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia, this refining hydrogel mask will even out complexion, rid of impurities, and restore a youthful glow. Its comfortable fit and non-slip quality makes it perfect for anyone on the move. And this is a MSRP of $9. You know, this sounds awesome. I've never tried anything from this brand. It sounds very interesting, and I can't wait to try it. That's why I love this box, because, you know, you do get a lot. I know I get a lot of products that I've never tried before until I have tried them in this box. So that's another great product. And then we have, this came in this box right here, and this is Earth Harba, a Torah Superfood Luminous Impole. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Full of sea greens, cannabis, sativa, hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminance. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. MSRP $32. So that's the bottle it came in, and that's a nice, that's a good size product. All right, let me just put this over there. Okay, and then the next product we have is, oh, this sounds really, really good. And this is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask packed with superfruit, Davidson plum, desert lime, bilberry, never heard of that, and aloe vera. This gentle version of skin exfoliating alpha hydroxy acid rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentations. And their MSRP deluxe size is 50 milliliters worth $14.44, and their full size is 75 milliliters, and that is $21.50. So I can't wait to use this. That sounds really great. Okay, and I think there is one more product. Let me just check. Okay. Okay. And this is Ciate London. Don't know if I'm saying it right. And this is a loose translucent setting powder. Finish off your makeup masterpiece with this finely milled setting powder. Ultra blendable and lightweight. Buff effortlessly onto your skin without any cakiness or creases for long-lasting wear. Oh, that's really pretty packaging. MSRP deluxe size is worth $18.98, and the full size is $22. Isn't that pretty packaging? I really like that. So let's just take a look. So another great product. I think that this was an amazing box this month. I think that they really did a great job on this, and I love all the packaging. All the products seem really great. So okay, and let me just give you the pricing again. Is $21 monthly, and like I said, it's usually over $100 value. Use the code CARRYD22 and you'll receive 22% off your first subscription. I think this box is absolutely worth it, and every month you never know what you're getting, and I think that they do an amazing job with all the products each month. So I do want to thank Glossybox for sending this out for me to review. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.